Welcome to Nue Skin by Ashley. So, if you notice, it's not Dave beside me this time. This is my very first video on this channel. This is my beautiful mother, and today she will be my wax client. Yes, my sugar wax client. So today I'm going to show you guys how I sugar wax. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity, the perfect day to do this, since I waxed myself earlier. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So I'm going to take you through it step by step as to how I will wax, and mommy is going to tell me whether she feels any pain, how she feels, what's her experience like, and all of that. So you ready for this?
Certainly.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to get my alcohol and my cotton to clean the area, you know, from any deodorant, sweat, or anything like that. So I'm going to clean her underarms. Alright, so her arm is not yet dried, but this is how her arm looks with the hairs under it, and this is the other one. Yeah, so the next step is to, you know, just dry the underarms after, or dry the area after you have cleaned it with the alcohol. Alright, so after it's dried, we're going to apply powder, any powder of your choice. So if you have sensitive skin and all of that, which I think powder is not harsh, so it shouldn't do you any, you know, harm. The next step now, I'm going to take some of my wax that I made earlier, and I'm going to basically form a ball with it. So I'm taking out some, and this should be the consistency of the wax. It should be hard. This is hard wax. Alright, so this is the piece that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to kind of like knead it a little, so I just stretch it. This is how the wax looks right now. Just bring it up a little closer after stretching it. And an important thing to note is the direction in which the hair grows. So looking at mom's hair, her hairs grow downward. So when you're applying the wax to remove the hair, you're going to apply it in the opposite direction. Alright, and then you're going to proceed to flip it in the direction that the hair grows. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so scissor wax. Alright, I'm going to test it with a small area first to see how you react. It will be fine. It's not as painful as waxing, guys, so she'll be fine. She's just being nervous. Alright, so we're going to try here. Hey, that not bad.
No.
Okay. Do you feel anything?
Just a little.
Just a little. It's not as painful as waxing, guys. Trust me, if this was waxing, you'd hear she screaming. You ready for this, mom?
Right ahead.
Alright. Alright, so it's not that bad, right? So the hairs have started to come out, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yes, the hairs are coming out. And we're just going to flip it around again. We're going to go again. It's bad? Or is it? Okay, the patient is saying that she's feeling some pain, but I don't think it's like terrible pain. It's bearable, right?
Yeah.
It's bearable. Like, wasn't that bad? You see? It's coming off, man. See? Coming off, man. It's way less painful than waxing, trust me. Way less. Even though mommy's face is not saying that. It's way less painful. At the hairs. Let me see if you guys can see it. Yes, there are the hairs right there. Almost done. Alright, so we're all done with the first arm. So let's have a look. So that's number 1. And this is the one that's not yet waxed. So I'm going to give you guys a little close-up. Alright, so as I was saying earlier, you clearly can see the difference. However, you still have some stubborn hairs right here that I'm going to get rid of, but most of the hair is removed. Alright, the next step is to just take a cotton with some water. You're going to wipe off the area, you know, to remove any excess, kind of cool it down, any excess powder, anything, any wax that is left over. Alright, and this is my secret mixture. Well, it's not really a secret, it's just aloe vera and tea tree oil. What this does is basically avoid irritation, and it helps you to not have any bad reactions to, you know, because we're kind of like pulling on the skin. So it helps to cool it and soothe the skin. Just gonna apply it. Alright. There we go. And we are all done with arm number 1. Alright everyone, so we are back and we are ready to do the other arm. You ready?
Yes, you murder me.
So don't worry if your wax starts to look this color. It's actually exfoliating the skin, so as you wax, or the more you wax, is the more it will start to look whiter and change color. Alright, so we're going to start with this arm, and at this time your wax should have a bubblegum consistency, like a bubblegum that has been chewed kind of thing. Alright, so here we are. So guys, we're almost finished with the second arm. Flick it, and there are the hairs. So this is pretty simple, but I would suggest you get somebody to do it for you if you don't think that you can do it yourself. Hint, hint. Yeah, we're almost finished. And we are all done now. Wow! this is our wax. How we dispose of it is that you can just roll it in a ball. What's this on my elbow? Some powder. So how we dispose of it, guys, is just roll it in a ball, wrap it up in a piece of tissue, and throw it in the bin. Or if you can put it in a plastic bag and throw it in the bin. And your leftover wax, you're going to basically store it in the fridge, and when you're ready again, you can heat it up either in a pot of hot water, or you can heat it up in the microwave for no more than 20 seconds thereabouts and let it cool again. What do you guys think? So this is going to be the before, and this is her after. So raise your arms for them to see it. Wow, wow. So she's all sugar waxed. How is my patient feeling?
I'm pretty much satisfied. But
So she's not a bear of pain. She doesn't like the pain. It's not much pain, guys, I promise you. I'm going to use, just like the first treatment, I'm going to use some water to wipe off the arm, and then we're going to apply our aloe and tea tree mixture to soothe it. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment if you'd like to see me do something else. Remember, this channel is all about skincare, so we have new videos every other week, and I'll try to keep up with you guys. Remember to like, share this video if you think it could help somebody, comment, and subscribe. Alright, make sure you subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.